So I've had this polish in boxes for a year now because I moved a year ago and it's been in here for a year. I'm going to attempt to get some in these little boxes. I'm gonna get in this box. Oh, what's in here? Oh my God. I might need some help, y'all. That's why I've got coffee. Cleaning out my polish boxes, and I came across this Kiss marbleizing pen and brush combo. May not be that good anymore. It looks like I may need to just shake it up, I'm hoping, but I don't even remember getting this. I've had it for a while and it looks like it's pretty cool. Why have I not used it? Gonna have to test this out, see how well it works.